Okay, so I'll be just doing this question the long way, just to make sure that everyone understands the process. But of course, as you're writing the exam, you may want to just know the short way as well. So here's the long way. What we're going to need to do is just multiply the top and the bottom of this rational expression by 1 over k squared. Okay, because that's the highest exponent that we have here, so we use the k squared. And then we need to distribute and multiply by everything. So I can rewrite this as the limit as k approaches infinity for 3 times 1 over k, so that's 1 over k squared, so 3 over k squared minus k squared over k squared, which cancel out, so I just get -1, all over 9 times 1 over k squared is just 9 over k squared, plus 6k times 1 over k squared. The k is going to cancel out with one of the k's below, so I get 6 over k, plus 3k squared times 1 over k squared is just 3, because the k squareds cancel out. Great. So now what we need to do is just, well, realize, if we take a look at this, all these guys here, as we approach infinity, are going to become 0. And why is that? Well, if I have 3 over k squared, as I start to plug in very large numbers for k here, we're going to get closer and closer and closer to 0. So all these go to 0 if or when k approaches infinity. So we're left with the -1 over the 3. So that's our answer, -1/3. Okay, so that's the long way to do this. But many of you are going to be able to just eyeball it and say, okay, so we just take a look at these two, right? Because they're the highest exponents that we have here. So -k squared over 3k squared. If this is the multiple choice section, you can just, of course, you don't have to show your work, right? You can just pick the right answer, -1/3, that's it.